Hi guys, I'm here to show you a brand new patent pending in-wall amplifier that is hooked to the ever popular Amazon Dot. This amplifier can be hooked to any speakers that you may have, but this particular one is actually hooked to the ceiling speakers that are displayed right now. With this combination, as you see here, right to the right hand side of it, the volume control is here, along with the speaker selector here, which I will show you the second zone in a few moments, and the power switch is here, and of course the Amazon Dot. Alexa, what is the weather for today?
In Bealton, there's a flash flood watch in effect until Sunday, August 12th, 11 p.m. The current weather is 72 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms with a low of 67 degrees.
Alexa, play WHUR radio station from TuneIn.
WHUR FM from TuneIn.
Here are my second zone speakers behind this picture, which I am able to access through this volume control. Alexa, call my parents.
Did you mean parents?
Yes.
Calling parents mobile.
And with this device, you can also access your phone contacts and have your conversation through your speakers.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. How are you tonight?
Oh, I'm just doing excellent tonight.
Fantastic. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
Awesome. Well, I will speak with you and Dad later.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you mostest. Be blessed.
Alexa,
Bye.
hang up the phone.